Good morning. I've come to Dartmoor Reservoir in Dartmoor National Park today. This is the first time I've been out with my camera for well over a month now. It's been so sunny and hot and lovely, which is nice, but not really my ideal conditions for doing landscape photography. So instead I've just been having barbecues and chilling out at home and stuff like that. But today the weather is overcast. It's forecast rain for this morning, but when I left home a minute ago there was an amazing golden sunrise, and then the sun's going to come out a bit later today, so should have quite a few different conditions. So what I'm doing here is meeting up with a friend, going for a walk and taking the camera for the first time in ages. I've been dying to get out with it and see if I can find some images, but like I say, conditions have been not really suitable for me. So today hopefully we'll have a wander around, see what we can find. Maybe something, maybe nothing. I thought I'd bring along this little camera in case I do find some images or conditions are good and I make some good images, and I can show you what I'm doing and how I go about doing it. So fingers crossed we might make a video out of today yet. So let's go and find out, shall we? I am getting soaked, absolutely soaked to the bone, and I've got an umbrella. Love it though. These are the conditions we want. Look how dramatic it is. Excellent. That would be quite good to be in that forest right now.
It's low enough, not too high.
I don't know.
We could go over there.
It's the top of it's shrouded.
Go to those two trees over there. I mean, those two trees are alright.
That looks great though, that does. I've taken one where I include the tree on the right on its own as well.
Yeah.
And a couple where I'm zoomed right in on those main trees in the middle.
Yeah, I've mostly just done the three. Yeah.
Just love the tones of it.
But this is what that bloke was doing on YouTube. I think you follow him on. I looked him up I looked him up on Instagram. And you follow him.
Do I?
Spanish guy. He just goes like that.
Oh,
Oh yeah, lovely. AWOL, right? AWOL.
yeah, IOWS.
Just kind of go, just like that, bang.
That's because he's
all
been
handheld.
to Lac de Gobe in the Pyrenees.
Is he?
Mm.
He's been to Senja as well, in Norway.
Yeah, where I go in the Pyrenees.
Yeah.
That's where he's been. I was sat there on holiday and I thought, alright, I'll just find some photography podcasts, and that's what came up. So it's good black and white. I've just moved myself up onto a bank to get above these ferns. We've got these Scots pine trees and a valley with Dartmoor Reservoir in it back there, and then the peaks in the top that have all got the cloud rolling through the top of them. It's quite a nice scene. Very moody atmosphere, but it's very windy as well, as you can probably hear. So I'm having to turn my ISO up a bit to get a fast enough shutter speed. But even then I think some of it might be blurred, but we'll see. We'll see when we get them home and look on the computer, but hopefully that makes quite a nice shot. Conditions are amazing at the moment. Don't know if you can see behind all the atmosphere. Perfect.
Stuff maybe in 6 months you go, oh wow, that's actually really good.
Yeah, that's definitely a good scene though. I think that might work out quite a nice image. Nearly at the top of Sheepstor. That's the sleeping crocodile. Top of Sheepstor. Let's do a quick 360. Dartmoor Reservoir. Photoshop that tent out. Clouds breaking now. Sun's starting to come through. Still quite dramatic. Cloud rolling through with nice patches of light. I don't know if you can see. But that's probably it for today. Taken a few images. Had some nice weather conditions. Well, horrible weather conditions, but my preferred conditions for landscape photography. So hopefully there's a few nice images. Any ones that I've not already shown you, I will pop up on the screen for you to watch now. And hope you've enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one.